Well, hello guys. This is the crab stitch, and we're going to dive into the tutorial for it. It's a very quick tutorial. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. This is a perfect border for those projects that have maybe a little bit of an odd edging, but you don't want a big border. So let's dive into it. It's very easy and it works up really fast. So let's go. Hello, my friends. I'm Ronnie. I work with Maggie. We are whip and chain, and I'm going to show you the crab stitch. Now, a couple notes about the crab stitch. It's going to feel weird doing it because instead of working right to left, you're going to be working left to right. Crab stitch can only be a border. It cannot be anything else, my friends, because you can't put anything on top of it. That's why. And it's beautiful. All it is really the single crochet in reverse. That's all it is. It's gorgeous. Takes a little time. Now, I did a sample of this fast growing 2 rows at the same time, half double crochet. So if you're interested, this was 3 passes, and look, there's 6 rows. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, 5 row, 6 rows. 6 rows and 3 passes. This will be the ever fastest growing project that you guys can make. But I didn't cut off because I wanted to show you how to do the crab stitch. Crab stitch is gorgeous. So if you did cut off and you want to change yarn, all you do is slip stitch a new piece on and chain 1, my friends. That's all you have to do. So you don't have to keep the loop. If you have new yarn, again, you just slip stitch a new piece on and chain 1, okay? All right, so let's do this. So you put your hook in. Now, remember, we chain 1. Chain 1. There we go. Now you're going to take your hook, and like I said, guys, please remember, it's going to feel weird. You go into your first stitch. So I'm going to take our hook, and you're going to go into your first stitch. And when you come through your first stitch, make sure your yarn is on the left side of your hook. It's the only way it's going to work. So make sure your yarn is on the left side of your hook, and your hook is obviously on the right, okay? So you're just going to grab that yarn. Just grab it and bring it through. Just like that. 2 loops, yarn over, go through 2. This is going to take a couple stitches before you see the end results of this, so don't stress. So now let's do it again. Go into your next stitch. Next stitch. Make sure the yarn's on your left. Go through, come on up, yarn over, go through 2. Let's do this together a couple times. Here's our next stitch. Put your hook in, grab your yarn, make sure it's on the right, grab your yarn. And the other thing is, when you bring your hook up, your hook's going to mainly be like on a almost horizontal, like on an angle. Yarn over, and you go through 2. So I'm going to do this a few times for you guys because I really want you to understand it. All right, let me go really slow. Make sure you're yarning over on your hook and not under. Now I'm going to do it at a comfortable speed for me. Once you get going, it's a lot of fun, believe it or not. It's something different. And I don't like to stop midway. I'm weird on this one because the beautiful design that it makes, I don't want to interrupt it. So I'm just going to go down this entire row, which I'm almost done already. You can stop. Don't misunderstand me. You can stop. There's no rule. That's just me. have one more stitch. So guys, look at this now. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely stunning? Absolutely stunning. Now do you see why you cannot put anything else on top of it? But it's gorgeous. And obviously I think it's called the crab stitch because you're doing it backwards. Crabs walk what, sideways or backwards? So it's kind of cool. Let me finish all around and I'll be right back. Look how stunning this is. Like, look at it. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It will bring such joy to so many of your projects that have a little bit of an uneven edging. And remember, I have tutorials on blocking if you want your projects also to be perfect, crisp with the corners and all. But here we go. Beautiful. Well, my name is Ronnie. I work with Maggie to bring you these fun crochet tutorials. If you ever need anything, please reach out, let us know, and we will do everything we can to help you. And here at Whip and Chain, it is always a work in progress. Until next time, everybody. Bye.